All right, I entered on this long on Nasdaq. I'm gonna be explaining my trade as this plays out. We do honestly look like we were bearish, but I can tell based on how structure is forming that we truly do not want to go higher or lower. Um, about 50 points back into this rejection block. Hold up. I don't know where my stop. About here, under this low, previous candle's low. About a 2.6 R. Let's watch this play out. I'm gonna explain it after it plays out. Let me explain what signatures I seen in price that told me that we weren't gonna go higher or we weren't gonna go lower. Okay. I want to see a push past this internal high, and I'm going to be going break even and trailing my stop. ES is already bleeding now. I want to see NQ follow. I want to see this push. I don't want to see price come back below this low anymore. So, there's about there. Unfortunate retracement, but I don't know why price is doing that. Well, it is what it is, you know. The market is random, bro. It's very random, though. I don't really like that, though. Yeah, I got about break even. Lost about $50. That's so stupid, though. Yeah, break even, bro. So I'm down about $50 or not $50. 270, nigga, across 5 accounts, bro. What the fuck, bro? I gotta break even, bro. I might look for a different position because that's kind of dumb. I lost $50 across my accounts, bro. I'm gonna look for another position, bro. Um, Entry could be off the top of this Sibi. I don't know. I feel like that entry was pretty good, or it made sense at least. I don't want to see price come back into the Sibi though. So like, whatever you're doing this week, I want to watch it. Oh shoot. Um, nah. I'm gonna let price drop down. If we have to get a deeper retracement, then I'll let it. I'll react. I'll react. I'll react. Okay, we just retraced back into consequent encroachment. Are we gonna hold it or not? All right. So price came tagged this internal high. We failed to reclaim this external high, right? On ES, we did creating SMT from here to here. So I don't even know. I got break even, so I'm not too bothered about it, I guess. But like, basically, price, we just moved pretty fast though in a couple candles. Price basically wanted to manipulate this high, and when I got in, I guess the better pair to be trading on this with would have been ES because ES was able to take out this high and actually come up to this target while NQ was the lacking asset. Like there's nothing I could do about that. But I guess wait and look for another opportunity at 950 or after 950. So yeah, bro. Unfortunate, bro. That's I don't know, an L on the day. Um, you gotta give the firm your SSN to get a fucking payout. Trying to think. No, I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't think so, but I might be wrong. I don't remember. Yeah, I did don't remember. I don't think so. Yeah, bro. We're flipping up now. We're just kind of bad conditions. I can't even lie, bro. We're like we're in a 100 point range, right? Price is in a 100 point. I'm gonna mark out the entire range. Let's see. Where's price been going up? We've been going down or up. We're going down, but low key price is going up. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna drag this shit down. Bang like those. So I guess my entry or my take my okay. So I hit the OTE of the shit over here. I think prices better respect this Sibi now. I want to see this flip. I want to see this candle closes. If this candle closes below this wick low, then I'm gonna be taking this right here. If not, then okay, yeah. Stop's gonna be above here. Don't want to see price come back into this range. 25 point stop. Risking about 250 with 25 points. Or I'm risking even more. Wait. I don't even know. My entry is here. Just 25 points is right there. 25 points doesn't matter in the scheme of this trade, but I'm trying to structure my trade so that, yeah, bro. So now I'm down about 300. Yeah. 300 times 5. So now I'm down 1.5, bro. Bro, I think, yeah, bro. What is 950 now? That's two back-to-back L's. I tried to take a long, and I got what? Stopped out for $50. Tried to take a short at the bottom of the range, and I got cooked for 250. Oh, bro. Price reclaiming this high, reclaiming this area right here. Do we? Well, this looks crazy though. Yeah, bro, I'm bull. My original long would have played out if my stops were below this low, but that's crazy, gang. I've never had a 50 point stop like that. So now I need to make about 50 points still. 50 points still. 50 points still, bro. I'm getting chopped up, bro, because it's just like, bro, I'm not waiting for the right confirmation before I enter. Like, look here. I entered here just off of what? Price flipping this inversion gap right here. Like, bro, I don't know. Hold on, bro. Let me make sure I'm structuring my trade right. I want to know what I could target. Maybe like, yeah, bro, I'm gonna just put my target here. 50 points. Stops under this candle here. Because I want to see this become a fucking breakaway gap. It looks crazy. Hold on. Looks crazy. I want this to become a breakaway gap. This fucking breaker here should probably hold and support price going up higher. And I want to see price, you know, this SIBI, sell side imbalance, the buy side inefficiency. I want to see price inverse that shit by now. Because I want to see price go ahead and fill up this entire range because we already had a insane sell-off going into the new day open or new week opening got up here. So why would price not want to be pushing higher and try to fill this out? So why would we not be bullish back into this new week opening gap? You get me? I feel like that makes sense. That makes sense. I like trading with lower size because I kind of feel like it puts my mind at ease when I can, I guess, take a position, and you know what I'm saying, lose on the position. But even if I lose on the position, I'm not losing a crazy amount, bro. Because when I'm sitting there trading minis, bro, minis is genuinely a hard, like it's just bad on my mental, bro. I can't handle trading minis, bro. I can't handle it, bro. All right, I'm gonna stop below this gap right here. Yeah, because we're trolling, bro. Wait. 21. It's kind of bad. I might, nah, if we don't hold this wick here, then, if we don't hold this here, then I might just call it, bro. Because I'm getting kind of fucking, I'm not fucking with this, bro. I want to see price actually expand and become, efficient on a day that's not a bank holiday, on a regular day, but we're genuinely struggling to be regular. Like Price wants to sit here and just do anything else, but I guess efficiently move out of this range. I don't know why. I'm not upping my risk. That doesn't make sense. I thought about it for a second. I don't know. I'm just saying what I thought. That's one, two, and then three. Three would be my max, and I'll just be done. Yeah, I think the three. That's it. That's it, bro. This is so fucking ugly, bro. This is so ugly, bro. Like, all right, on the 5 minute, what are we doing? All right, yeah, that makes sense. That makes complete fucking sense. Why would we support a fucking stop loss in the middle of a 5 minute candle? That makes no sense, bro. That makes no sense. But surely price is gonna hold this, right? Where's the 5 minute low? The 5 minute low, all the way down here, bro. This is the protected stop loss, bro. This is what I'm running right now, gang. This is what I'm running right now. A fucking negative RR, bro. Negative RR just to see price bounce out of this range. Like this shit is fucking insane, bro. This is insane to me, bro. 25 points. Let's see how that will hold. Yo, there's just no way. 25 points literally would have barely have held. Like, it's just like, bro. It's just like, bro. Let me declutter some shit, bro. Okay, now we're flipping back up higher. So genuinely a 50 fucking point stop loss is what you have to run in these. I don't get it, bro. You genuinely have to run 55 points of stop loss to become fucking profitable, bro. 55 points. I'm dragging my shit up a little bit. Cause I low-key need, I don't even know. Just about that much. It's good enough, bro. What time is it gonna be? 10:15. That's when I end the macro. Let's see this push, bro. Artificial, just on an artificial push, bro. That happens going to not. Shit's so dumb, bro. All right, we tapped the bottom of the gap. Let's see how price respects this, bro. This is the fucking rejection block. Bang. 1, 2, 3. Literally perfect, bro. You know what I'm gonna do? We should see a flip in that order flow, bro. We should see a flip higher. And if we don't, so I don't need 50 points. I really don't need 50 points. What is it called, bro? Not 50, bro. I need 50 points. 25 is 55. 25. So I'd say about 30-ish. Or 30, 35. Or I'll go to this internal high. My fucking god, bro. What a trade, bro. Nigga, like, what are we doing, bro? Like, what is the point of this shit, bro? Like, I don't get it, bro. We do anything but deliver, bro. Even if, bro. Even if, bro. We do anything but fucking deliver. Come on, dude. And this is it. That's not it, then I don't know, bro. I genuinely don't care, bro. Can't be asked. Can't be asked, nigga. You can't be asking me none of this dumb shit, bro. I don't care enough, bro. I don't care enough, bro. This internal high. We might actually not have that shit. Can't even lie. Yeah, nigga, fuck this shit, bro. We're going up or we're not going up. We're going up or we're not going up. See, I'm holding. I'm trailing my shit. Aggressive as fuck. What is that? 52.52. 52. Yeah, bro. I did the fucking. Like, look at this shit, bro. Like, bro, I did the best I fucking could, bro. I did the best I could, bro. I don't like this shit at all, bro. 30-point stop with 10 contracts, bro. Look at my fucking position, dude. I took what? One trade here, trying to go to this high. Failed. Okay. That's fine. Okay, I took a $50 loss. Second trade I took, try to take a short position, thinking, okay, maybe we're rejecting this high after or going to the macro, right? Price doesn't care about this high. Because ES already took it. Maybe this is the SMT to push the price lower. Burned. 250 burned, okay? I took a long position over here, maybe a little bit high in the premium, right? Or yeah, a little high in the premium. Who cares, bro? I'm trying to take a long to the high that's right there. Wait, no, I wasn't, bro. Whatever the case was, bro. Price came back into drawdown. I added after price came back and tapped this rejection block right here of this 1 minute candle. We tapped this rejection block. I entered a position. Price came up, held it for about 25 points, and I was able to now secure about $200 across all five of the evals. So now, Latin Group P&L, I'm up about $9 today, $922 today. And to be honest with you, bro, I took what, one, two, three, and technically four trades or four executions. It's gonna count it as four trades, bro. I'm looking done, bro. What a fucking stupid ass day, bro. Like, I genuinely can't with this market, bro. Like, bro, I genuinely can't with it, bro. Like, I was already peeping that this price action was pretty bad, but I just thought maybe we might fix it up a little bit. Who knows, bro? We'll probably play better and look better around 10:45 that macro. But for at least for this one, bro, 9:45, it's just over. It's overly ass. Can't even lie, bro. Got this .81 risk to reward. What a fucking day. Yeah, but that's it though for trade recap. Took three trades. I was able to make about I took three trades, one break even, one loss, and then one win. That was able to make me back about the money I lost. So ending the day up around $900. Yeah, bro. My Instagram, my TikTok, all in the description. If anybody wants to be watching and getting more out of my content that I post, all that stuff is up there for you to check out. Yeah, bro. That's it though.